Hi everyone, Don Singletary here and welcome to the channel. Today, a very special holiday video for you, Thanksgiving 2020. Today, you will look back on from the future, and I hope many of you are doing it right now, and remembering November 24th, 2020. It was the day the Dow Jones Industrial Average went over 30,000 points for the very first time. And what better way to show people new to the channel what it is we do here than to show you what happened with the market on this particular morning. It's what I call a gift. Prior to May of the year 2019, it would have cost you about $3,300 just to buy one contract of the S&P E-mini contract, a stock index futures. But at the end of May in 2019, all that changed. Learning to futures trade changed completely. Now, today, this morning, I can put up a intraday margin amount. It's called good faith money too, but it goes by the name of the intraday margin. $330 allows me to trade one futures contract for the S&P 500 Micro Emini contract. Now, here's how it works. I got to tell you, one of my favorite quotes by Albert Einstein. He said, if you really understand something well, you can explain it to a sixth grader. Well, I'm not calling you a sixth grader. I'm just saying that I'm going to show you a simple way to understand what we do here. Top half of the screen, the S&P Micro E-mini. Bottom half of the screen, a thing called a trade signal indicator. I'm using the MACD. See what happens in the bottom on the red arrows? The green line goes below the red line. And on the green arrows, the green line goes above the red line. Down, up, down, up. That's it. Okay, now that you know everything, it's time for a trade. Over here at about 10:10 or 10:12, I get the green line over the red line. Hey, that's a buy signal. So I go up and I buy one contract at a price of $36.05. Now, each candlestick is 5 minutes wide. 7 candlesticks over, I sell it at $36.10. So I made a profit of 5 points, or $25. And as you can see, over on the lower left, if I traded 2 contracts, I would have made $50, 3 $75, and 4 contracts $100. There's no limit to the number of contracts you can trade, but when you begin, you start small and scale up. Now this video started under 3 minutes ago, and that's all it takes to tell you how simple it is to trade the Micro E-minis. Of course, there's more work to be done. You need to get familiar with some terms and things, and for that, I have written a book, the only book on Amazon or anywhere I know of that specializes in day trading the Micro E-minis just for home investors. Take a look at the book link below this video, and there's a link there where you can go to the Look Inside feature on Amazon and see the table of contents. It's only about 100 pages, and it's like my video here. It's short and sweet. I just tell it like it is straight away, so it makes it easy for you to learn, and I'd appreciate you looking the book up. Also, I'm using the software Tastyworks. You'll see the broker link below, and also the link to two playlists, especially for beginners. There are 4 10-minute videos in each one. They're all free, and just look for the beginners playlist below the text in this video. I'm Don Singletary, and I hope every day is a payday for you. And thank you.